Hey, I'm Atul, and in this video I'm going to talk about some basic network command in Kali Linux. So let's begin. The first basic command is ipconfig. That is used to know the IP address of your machine. But in Windows it uses ipconfig, and in Linux it is just ifconfig. So let's check it out. It shows the IP address of the machine, and it is basically for Ethernet and network adapters. So if you want to know about wireless adapters, for that the command is iwconfig, and since you can see that there is no wireless extensions in my machine, so it will not show anything. Now I think you should all should know about ping command. So in ping command, let's type ping. It pings the IP address we type after the ping command. So if I simply type the ping command, it will endlessly ping that IP address. So if I want to set the count, I can set it like this: ping c and set the number of time. Let's say 10, and it would stop after 10 times. It stopped. If you want to know MAC address associated with the IP address, you can know that by using the command arp-a, arp-a. It would show the number of devices connected and that IP address associated, sorry, the MAC address associated with the specific IP address. You can see here. Now, if you want to know the number of ports in your machine and number of ports which are open and which are connected, you can use the command netstat. And by using that command, you can know all the ports in your machine that are open, which are connected. We will learn about these commands in depth later. So after that, if you want to know where your machine is connected and where your machine is talking, you can use the root command to know that. And at last, if you can't remember all the commands and you want to know history, that which command you have typed, for that you can use history command. It will tell all the commands that you have used. That's all for this video. These are some basic network commands that you should know. In future video, we will learn about viewing and creating and editing the files. I think you like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button. Thank you.